Hello, I did it. You will do it. Let's make this money together. Yo, welcome to another daily design video. This is David Isamoji. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. I bring to you every single day new Canva T-shirt design, Photoshop T-shirt design. So please, if this is something you are interested in to make money from print on demand, then please, I will advise you subscribe. So talking about subscribers, I would like to say a big thank you to my newest subscribers. Yes, I always give a shout out. I started that on the 6th of March, so I will always be giving out shout out to my lovely subscriber. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. So please, if you want to be like them, please just subscribe and make sure you hit the like button, share the video, make sure you watch, subscribe. I just want to say thank you to every one of you. If you see your name on the list, let me know in the comment. Hit the like button if you see your name on the list. I really want to appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been amazing. Thank you very much. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight into today's video. So I'll open a new tab. It's going to be a Canva T-shirt design. So I'm going to click that. So while that open, I'll open on that tab and go to a site where I get my designs from my element from. It's got flat icons, as you can see. Flat icons. So this is where I get my design. So today I'm going to be getting something very unique. So I'm going to just type in the search bar. Just going to type fox in the search bar. So now we'll just wait for that to load. This site, you get free icon, free elements you can use, free parts, free everything. You can get it on this site. But the amazing thing is, make sure you give credit. I always advise you always give credit. It's super important to give credit. Give them credit. Please always give credit. You can't do nothing more. You get this design for free. Just make sure you give credit. So today we are going to be using this. Let's see if I can get the maker of this particular design. So we'll just go over to PNG. As you can see, this is the design by flat icons. So this is to make sure you always give credit. So we'll just click on download. It's going to download now. You can see it's downloaded. So now that we have that downloaded, we'll just close this and go back to Canva. So now we'll click on create a design, custom dimension. The size is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard, so you click on create. This is the super standard which you follow. Click on create. As you can see, it has opened on a new tab. It has opened on a new tab. So now we'll go to upload and find that mama which we just downloaded. So upload image and videos, download, find mama. This is it. So just bring it into our design. So just bring it to our design. As you can see, it's loading. So once it's done loading, we'll just click on it once. It will appear on our Canva, as you can see. So to make it bigger, as you can see, so we'll just try and make it bigger and move it up a little. So to do that, we'll highlight, left mouse click, drag outward to increase. Then we'll just move this about. As you can see, this is the middle. This is the middle. So I'm just gonna add a bit of something here. I'll just try and move it up a bit. So I'll just add a little text. Let me add the text, and what would the text say now? Fox Life or something. So we'll try and use this. So I'll just increase this over my mouse to this edge, left mouse click button, drag outward to increase. So I just need only one of this. So I'm going on group the remaining. So I'll just click on this, delete this. So this is the only one I need. So just increase this. Increase this. Okay, yeah, this is the middle. So this one is going to say live. So we have it like that. So now the next step is for us to, I'd like to change the color of this. Let me see if I can change this color. So I'll just go to this A and just try and find the best color matching that. I want to get something close. Okay, this is a bit close. Okay, so now we have that done. So the next step is to download. This is the trial version of Canva Pro, so you always get this white background. If you don't want this white background in your design, you have two options. The option one is to get Canva Pro, which is about $12. If you want to get Canva Pro 12 months, 1 month free on me, please let me know in the comments. And the second step I'll show you if you stick around, so just stick around with me, don't click off so that you don't miss that. So now we'll just download this. Just download this, preparing your download. It should appear here when it's done. As you can see, it's downloading. So now it's done. We'll just click to make sure it's downloaded properly and there's no error. As you can see, this is it here, so we'll wait for it to load. If it can load, then we are good to go. Yes, it can load. So now, so the next step, we'll just open it on Photoshop just to change the background. We want to change the background. We want to make sure it does not have the white background because we want to upload it on every possible color of shirt, mug, and whatever print on demand product you want it on. So we just open with Photoshop. We open with Photoshop. As you can see, it has not taken us much time, just about 6 minutes. We are just 6 minutes into this video, so it's not something super complicated. Just a simple video. So now that we have this, we'll just hover our mouse to this edge, click on this folded paper to form a new layer. As you can see, layer 1, then we'll click on this layer 0. We'll come to the magic word tool. That's this tool you can see here. Click on it, click on this white. So now you press delete on your keyboard, so you should delete the white. As you notice, there's still extra white and we don't want that, so we just click on those extra white and get them out. So you click on delete. If this process is too cumbersome for you, you can just get Canva Pro for just $12. But if you have Photoshop and you can do this just following what I'm doing, then you are good to go. You can do this. So you can see the live has this white too, so get that out and get that out too. So now that we're done with that process, the next process is transferring to our shirt. So we'll save this, save as picture. That should be Fox Live. Save it as PNG. You don't want to save it as any other thing because you want the white background. So save it as PNG. Just press OK. After this, we'll go to our final step and the video will be done. See, it's not taking us more. Most of my design take me 10 to 15 minutes max to get it out. So if you want to do about 10 or 15 design per day, you can do that and get them out on Match, on Redbubble, Teespring. Make money. You make money, passive income, selling your shirts, selling your mugs, selling your bed sheets, whatever, duvet covers, whatever. Just make out these designs and you're good to go. So now we'll just go to the final step. So I'll go to pictures, mockup. As if you think from my, in fact, if you clicked on this, you'd have seen the mockup is the anger mockup. That's where I put all my design. I'm used to that mockup. I love it. As you can see, this is the mockup. So we'll go to, you see this where I say your design here. If you want me to tell you where to get this mockup, just let me know in the comments. Just double tap, delete this, press delete. There's nothing there. So you come back to your pictures, Fox Live. So we'll just find Fox Live. So this is it. We'll just drag it into this part. We'll drag it into this part. As you can see, it's quite big, and if you put it on your shirt like this, it will be super big, so you have to reduce it. So to do that, we're going to use 3 buttons. But first, we hover our mouse to this edge. We press our Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button on Windows, and you drag inwards. Then you press Enter. Then you save. Go to File and Save. So now when you save that, once you come back to this design, it should be on your shirt, as you can see. So on our shirt, then Then now we can change the color of the shirt to whatever we want it to be. So now to do that, you see if I put it on this, it's white, and I think I like it on a white shirt. But if you have that open, you can just click on any other color you feel like. It's your choice, depending on what color you want to sell it on. But for me, I like it. I think I should leave it on this pink. It makes sense. I think I'll leave it on this pink. It says Fox Live. So I'll just press OK. And I'll just save it. Save as pictures. Okay, so you just save this. Save it as JPEG, because now you can use this to promote on Instagram, on Facebook. Just find influencers interested in animals, pets, all those kind of things, and you tell them you want to promote. You just pay them some amount, they promote it, you make your sales. The good thing is that once you make your first 5 sales, you start getting automatic promotions on Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon. You start getting automatic promotions. So to make sure we've saved this, we'll go to pictures. You can see this is it. Our mockup is ready. If you want to know where I get my mockup from, just let me know in the comments and you get that. So to your right, you see my playlist. If you want to watch more, make sure you watch more. Make sure you subscribe so that you can give you a shout out on tomorrow's video. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now so that I can give you a shout out on tomorrow's video. Without wasting much more of your time, I'll say thank you. To your right, you see the playlist. Make sure you watch it. Love you and see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.